Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new page on your Shopify store. Let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Shopify dashboard. So click on Online Store, then click on Pages. Here you can see all site pages. To create a new page, click on Add Page. Here you can type your page title. Then you can type page content. You can generate page content by using AI here. Just give brief info and click on generate. So AI will generate page content. Here you can select font sizes and here other font options. Also, you can add images or videos and bullets and numbers. So I will just paste my content here. Also, here you can edit search engine listings. This is for SEO. Click on edit icon. Here you can edit with keywords for SEO. You can add page title, meta description. Here you can see how search engines like Google show your page. Also, here you can change page URL. Then select visibility as visible. If you want to schedule your page to publish, click on edit icon. Then you can select a specific date and time here. Okay, let's go down and click on save. Now we created our page. Now we need to add this page to menu. To do that, click on content. Then click on menus. Here you can see all menus. So I'm going to add this page to main menu. Click on it. Then click on add menu item. Type label. Then click here and select the page. Go to pages and select the page. Click on save. Now let's see the site. Put the cursor on online store. Click on this view icon. Now here you can see about us page. Also, if you want to edit this page more, go to dashboard. Click on online store. Then click on customize. Here you are on store design view. Click on about us. Now you can see about us page. So you can add header section, also template. Click on add section. Here you can design your page by adding these elements like this. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.